Hey guys, it's Shannon. As you all know, I love using essential oils, from house cleaning products to beauty products to home remedies. I love being able to use 100% natural things that are safe for our family. So if you are new and haven't heard of Simply Earth before, it is a monthly subscription box that brings you 4 essential oils every single month, as well as recipe cards and some of the supplies that you'll need to create those recipes with. So not only do I love using essential oils every day, but I love Simply Earth because it is basically a DIY in your box. So it makes it so simple, and it's also really fun. So I want to show you what came inside my Simply Earth box for December and also create a couple of those recipes for you. So let's get started. All right, so like I said, inside your box will come 4 essential oils. So for December, our oils this month are clove, peppermint, patchouli, and breathe easy. And all of our recipes, they come on these cute little cards, so you can keep them and use them over and over again. All of our recipes will be using these 4 essential oils. So you get recipe cards, 4 essential oils. You also get these great labels. So once you create your recipes, then you can put these labels on the containers. And then also on the side here, you'll get some extra goodies that you'll need to go with your recipes. So right here, we have a mold. We have a little jar container, plastic container with a lid. And we also have some goat milk powder and some citric acid. And our recipes this month are a Breathe Easy bath salt, tension relief bath balm, congestion support roll-on, vanilla mint lip scrub, cold support chest rub, and trim the tree diffuser blend. And what I really like about these recipes is they all have to do with what's going on in the season or for the holidays. So these are, you know, sort of the remedies that you might need to curb your congestion, your dry lips, or if you get a cold. So I really love that they gear all of their boxes to the season and what might be needed during that time of the year. So every box is different. The first recipe we're gonna make is this vanilla mint lip scrub. So I have all of my ingredients set out, and we're just gonna mix it all together and add it to our little container that was provided by Simply Earth. So first, the recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. And then 1 drop of the peppermint essential oil that came in our box. And then we're just gonna stir this all together. And here's a close-up look of our natural sugar lip scrub, and it smells so good, let me tell you. And it says to use, get a small amount and rub with your finger to exfoliate your lips. Enjoy naturally exfoliated lips. So that was definitely really, really easy to make, and I can't wait to use this, and it's in a nice little container that I can keep in my purse even. And now we're gonna make the Breathe Easy bath salts recipe. So this recipe is really, really simple as well. You need a cup of Epsom salt, which I already have in my bowl here. You also need 1/2 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. And then you also need 5 drops of the Breathe Easy essential oil that came in our box. And then all you have to do is mix it together, and just as easy as that, you have something that helps you maybe whenever you come down with a cold, or you've been out in the cold and need a warm bath. And this is great to even just relax with and enjoy. So again, I just can't tell you how much I love Simply Earth. I love getting these boxes in the mail each month and creating these recipes. As you can see, they are really simple to do too. And it's just something nice that you can even pamper yourself with. And these would make wonderful Christmas gifts if you are needing last minute Christmas gift ideas. You can make a big batch of some bath salt. You can make a big batch of some lip scrub. So simple, really inexpensive. And why not give Simply Earth as a gift too? If you kind of have that person that might be a little bit hard or difficult to buy for. Maybe they would enjoy a monthly subscription of Simply Earth like I do. And there's actually a bonus here. There's a big bonus box. So when you first sign up for Simply Earth, your very first month, you will get a big bonus box just like this. And inside you will get tons of your containers and oils that you need to create those products. So like the fractionated oil, coconut oil that I used for these actually came in my big bonus box. So you actually get this every 6 months. So it's really exciting to get this box in your mail and see all the goodies that come. But I also have a special and exclusive offer for you guys, my viewers, and that is if you use the discount code TheDailyDIYer free, you will also get a free $20 gift card that you can use in their online store after you've placed your first month's subscription order. So I will have more information and Simply Earth's website down in the description box below, as well as more information on that discount code. If you'd like to try out Simply Earth, you can always cancel it anytime with them too. So I thought I'd show you my collection too. And this is from just Simply Earth sending me 4 essential oils each month for a little over a year now. And there actually may be a few like here and there around the house that have made their way out of the box. But these really beautiful boxes are made of wood that keep them all nice and organized. And this is one of the items in their online store that you could use your $20 free gift card on if you sign up under my coupon code, TheDailyDIYer free. And so it really doesn't take long, and these last a long time. There's lots in these bottles, and you only need a few drops for each recipe. So you just kind of keep growing your collection, and then you'll be set for all kinds of things to create with the essential oils. And like I said, I absolutely love Simply Earth. I love getting this every month. And I want to wish you guys all a very happy holiday season. I hope you don't have to actually use the congestion relief or the Breathe Easy bath salts. But if you do, I know Simply Earth has great items to help you through those tough times. I want to thank you guys so much for watching again. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.